so welcome back to my channel. This is GHkins. So on this video I'm about to install in a crochet braids. It's been a while since I installed in a crochet braids, so I'm very excited. I gave my hair a break and I feel like it's about time that I put my hair back in a long-term protective style. So I haven't done this hair before like usual. I usually don't repeat hair except for the straight hair that I did. So this is a Niagara crochet braids hair by Freetress. It came out I think last year or something like that. I've been wanting to get the hair, but like looking at the back of the hair, like it looks so fake, so I didn't really want to purchase it. And y'all know, like I always purchase my hair from Sam's Beauty, and I found this actually in my local beauty supply store. They recently brought the hair, so I just went in and I took a good look at the hair, because I wasn't sure if I wanted to buy it from Sam's Beauty because of the way the packaging looks like. It looks so fake. But when I got to the beauty supply store and I looked at the hair, this is how the hair actually looks like. I think it looks so nicer than the picture they have of the hair, with the model that looks so fake. I saw it. It looks nice. It looks like something I would want to buy. It reminds me of when I curled my straight crochet braid. So I was like, okay, so this is like, it looks like ocean wave, So I'm like, okay, it's like straight, but not really straight because it got some wave curls in it. I got that. I mean, it's Niagara, Niagara Falls. That's what comes in my head. Okay, so I have my hair cornrowed already. I did my cornrows last night. This is how it's looking like. I braided it to the back, and some of them I joined it to make one braid that goes all the way to the back, and those are where I'm going to probably put my hair. I'm thinking about joining these two cornrows together because they're separated. I think that's the best part to have my parts, and this time I'm going for my side parts because for my previous crochet braids, two of them I did like the middle parts, so I'm gonna go back to my side parts. Okay, so let's get started. Back, so I just want to show you guys how I'm going to actually do that, okay? Because if I don't do that, the spacing between these two cornrows are going to get wider as the hair gets older, and that's gonna make the parting look so fake and so big. So yeah, this is how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take this cornrow and this cornrow right here, hold it together like this, grab my crochet needle through the two cornrows, okay, and then I'm going to crochet a couple of pieces of the hair over there. I'm going to take small sections so it looks good, and I recommend you crochet more than one piece of hair, one crochet braid over there, so that when the hair gets older, it doesn't come out. So I hope what I'm saying makes sense. So I'm trying to make the cornrows. So I am finally done installing the crochet braids. I used all 5 packs that I bought. I do like the end result. I think it looks really nice on me, and yeah, I do like it. Like, I love the straight crochet braids, and I do like this as well because this is not all that curled, so it's still looking good. Let me show you guys. This is how long the hair is. I haven't trimmed the ends or anything yet. I'm now about to. So this is how long the hair is. Let me bring everything to the front and trim it. It's not super long, so I like it. The hair is full. You can definitely get away with 4.5 packs, but I want my hair to be big, so yeah. I'm just trimming the hair. Not a lot though, just a bit, so they'll be they'll have the same length, and also get rid of the tiny strands of hair. Yeah, so let me see. see if I have to trim any other. Okay, it looks really nice. So I'm done like trimming the hair, and now this is how long the hair is. It's pretty long. So yeah, this is the end result of the hair. That's my parts as well. This is the end result of the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So this is the Niagara by Freetress. I love the hair, I love the curls. Oh, another thing, like I made sure that I brushed the hair before I installed it in as crochet braids. Brushing the hair does not cause the hair to tangle at all. That's another thing that I like about the hair. It has a fiber kind of feel to it, so I love it. It's soft, and it basically has that feeling that it did with the straight hair from Freetress. So I do love this. Oh my gosh, like I love it so much. I love it. Let me just put in some mousse. Okay, hope you guys can see that. From ORS, I got this from my local beauty supply store. So let me just put a bit on the hair, and that'll be the end of this video. I'm just putting a good amount of it on my hair. Usually I will put mousse on my hair once every week, or whenever I feel like the hair needs mousse, you know. And when I'm going to bed, I'll just put on my hair bonnet, the big one. I'll show you guys already. I'm going to put on the hair bonnet so that my hair will not tangle and get messed up throughout the night. And as time goes on, if I change my nighttime routine, I will definitely record it and let you guys know, okay? Just in case maybe, I don't know if the hair is going to tangle up or anything. So I'm going to, after 2 weeks, probably 2 weeks time, I'm going to actually review the hair for you guys, okay? I'm going to review the hair, and in case I change my nighttime routine and stuff like that, I'm going to let you guys know on that video. But for now, I'm just going to, you know, put like a scrunchie on my hair and just put my hair in the hair bonnet and just go to sleep. That's what I'm going to be doing for now. So yeah, this is how the hair is looking like now after I applied the mousse. Okay, I mean, now it's a bit wet, so this is how it's looking like. I still love the end results. I love the hair. It looks so pretty, it looks so nice, and it's full, so I do like it. It looks like a weave. So yeah, it looks like a weave. So yep. So guys, this is the end of my video. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as I said. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I love you all, and God loves you more.